Are you looking for a drone that fits in the palm of your hand and takes your photography to the next level? All for under $700? Hi, I'm Marcus with Lone Star Drone, and today we're taking a look at the Autel Nano Plus from Autel, a user-friendly and entry-level drone made for photographers and content creators. So this drone usually sells for $679, but Autel frequently runs deals. As of today, it's currently selling for $549. Now the drone itself comes in at 249 grams, so you don't have to worry about registering it with the FAA. And it's the first and only aircraft of its size that has an advanced obstacle avoidance system. So a big game changer for Autel drones is the ability to utilize dynamic tracking, which follows your subject from behind. So there's another set of modes within the Autel Sky app called QuickShot, which is designed for video. And within QuickShot, you can select 4 different modes. Rocket, which places your subject in frame and your drone will rapidly ascend. The second one is fadeaway. Fadeaway will place your subject in frame and, of course, fade back. And then third is orbit, sort of self-explanatory. Places your subject within frame and the drone will orbit equidistant all the way around. And lastly, there's flick, which creates a sort of dynamic, snappy motion that will add a creative punch to your video. And the drone includes traditional photography modes like time-lapse and panorama, which includes a mode in which you can capture a spherical panorama. And now let's talk about the controller. It was clearly designed by a video game player. I love that. It's small and compact, so it's perfect to just kind of throw in your bag or your backpack. You can take it anywhere. My only con about this controller is that the removable thumbsticks don't have any room for storage on the controller itself. But other than that, I really love this thing. So now that we've looked at some of the basics of the drone and functions within the app, we can actually focus now on getting it up in the air. So let's talk about deployment and uptime. This is really simple. You just pull the drone out of your bag, fold out the top arms first, then the bottom arms. Once that's done, you're ready to pop in a battery. You power up the drone, connect your phone to the controller, and you're ready to go in a few minutes. So now that you're actually up in the air, you have 28 minutes of flight time, but like every drone that you fly, depending on how you fly it, you might have a few minutes less than that. And now to talk more about the camera's capabilities, let's send it on over to our media producer.
Thanks, Marcus. What makes the Nano Plus super unique is the RYYB sensor that it employs in the camera. So typically, cameras have a RGGB filter, which lets in red, green, and blue light. The camera featured on the Autel Nano Plus uses an RYYB filter. This substitutes the green pixels for yellow pixels, which are more sensitive than green. This filter is how Autel is able to pack such a punch into this tiny drone.
Thank you, Russ. So to round things out, the Nano Plus is an entry-level, user-friendly drone made for the photographer and content creator. It hits just right under that 250 gram threshold, so you don't have to worry about registering it with the FAA. It has advanced obstacle avoidance, and it's all for under $700. So if you're looking for all of this in a drone, head on over to lonestardrone.com, where we offer this and many other drones and all your drone-related solutions. Thanks so much. Have a good day. We'll see you next time.